Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's session on cloud versus DevOps. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by all the tech buzzwords flying around? Everyone's talking about the cloud. Then you hear the word DevOps, and it sounds like something you should know, but no one really stops to explain how they fit into your learning or career path. In this video, we're going to clear the confusion once and for all. By the end of this video, you'll not only know the difference between cloud and DevOps, but you'll also understand how they connect and where your focus should be as you move forward in tech. So let's get started. But before you move on with this session, make sure that you have subscribed to IP Specialist on YouTube and don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates. Now that we're set to clear up the confusion, let's start by looking at what the cloud actually means in today's tech world. When you hear people say it's in the cloud, they're talking about a way to access computing power, storage, and services over the internet. Imagine being able to use as much computing power as you need, whenever you need it, and only pay for what you use, whether you're a student running a small project or a large company managing global operations. It removes the need of owning and maintaining physical servers and hardware yourself. Cloud computing enables businesses to move faster, reduce upfront cost, and easily adapt to changing needs. It allows teams to innovate without worrying about the heavy lifting or managing infrastructure, so they can focus on building solutions that matter. Whether it's hosting websites, analyzing data, or running applications, the cloud provides a flexible, scalable foundation for almost anything you want to create in the tech space. Now that we understand what the cloud offers, you might be wondering, where does DevOps fit in all of this? DevOps isn't just a tool or a cloud service you can purchase. It's a complete mindset and a set of practices that help teams deliver software more efficiently. Traditionally, development teams wrote code and operations teams handled deploying and managing that code on servers. These teams often worked in silos, leading to delays, miscommunications, and last minute issues during software releases. DevOps breaks down these barriers by fostering a culture of collaboration between development and operations. It emphasizes automation, continuous testing, and continuous delivery, allowing teams to release updates faster and more reliably. Instead of waiting for long release cycles, DevOps encourages small, frequent updates, reducing the risk of failures and making it easier to respond to user needs. In short, while the cloud provides the infrastructure and tools you need, DevOps helps you use them effectively to deliver software faster, with better quality, and with less stress on your teams. Now that you have a clear picture of what the cloud is and what DevOps stands for, it's time to address the question many people have. Are cloud and DevOps competing approaches? And do you have to choose one over the other? The answer is no. They're not competitors. They actually work hand in hand. Cloud provides the infrastructure and tools that you need, making it easy to scale your applications and services as your needs grow. It takes away the burden of managing physical servers so you can focus on building and delivering value. DevOps, on the other hand, focuses on how you build, test, and deploy these applications on top of that infrastructure. It automates development and deployment pipelines, ensuring continuous delivery, and helps teams work together efficiently to keep systems reliable and up to date. You can think of it this way: the cloud is like your factory, providing the space and machinery, while DevOps is your production process that keeps the assembly line running smoothly and efficiently. You need both working together to deliver high quality products quickly and reliably in today's fast paced tech world. So, how exactly do cloud and DevOps work together in real world environments? Companies use the power of both to achieve the best results. The cloud offers scalable, flexible platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, allowing businesses to host applications without worrying about physical hardware or complex infrastructure management. Whether a company needs to handle a sudden spike in traffic or scale down during quieter times, the cloud makes it possible with just a few clicks. Meanwhile, DevOps comes in to automate and streamline everything in the software cycle, from writing and testing code to deploying applications and monitoring them in production. DevOps practices ensure that updates and new features can be released quickly, safely, and consistently without the chaos of manual deployments and last minute surprises. When combined, cloud and DevOps empower teams to develop, test, and release software rapidly while maintaining stability and reliability. This powerful combination is a big reason why modern companies can move faster, adopt quickly to customer needs, and stay ahead in today's competitive landscape. So, should you focus on cloud or DevOps in your learning journey? Here's a simple way to decide. If you're interested in IT infrastructure, networking, and exploring platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, diving into cloud computing could be a great fit for you. But if you enjoy coding, building automation workflows, and working with CI CD pipelines to streamline software delivery, DevOps might align better with your interest. But here's the reality: if you want the best career opportunities in today's tech landscape, learning both cloud and DevOps is the way to go. Together, they form a high demand, high paying skill set that companies are actively looking for. By understanding cloud platforms and mastering DevOps practices, you position yourself to build, deploy, and manage modern applications efficiently, giving you a strong edge in the job market. So, are you ready to master cloud and DevOps and unlock high paying job opportunities? IP Specialist is here to help you get there. Learn directly from industry experts who bring real world experience into every lesson. Get hands on labs designed to build practical job ready skills you can apply immediately. Earn globally recognized certification to boost your career and stand out in tech industry. Start your learning journey with IP Specialist today and take the next step towards becoming an in demand IT professional. Cloud and DevOps are shaping the future of IT. Are you ready to be a part of it? Start preparing for cloud computing and DevOps today with IP Specialist and secure a future in one of the most rewarding IT fields. Hit that like button if this video helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more career boosting insights. If you're interested in enrolling in our IT courses, click the link in the description box. See you in the next one.